teachers, today I want to show you how to create a Seesaw activity where students are going to move or sort pieces. Now, you can't create these things with movable clip art if you're going to sell them. That is against the clip art license of most artists. So you don't want to do that. But for your own personal classroom, if you're not going to sell it, you can grab royalty-free clip art. So NASA right now has a digital library that is royalty free. So let's go ahead and start our activity. To start creating, you are going to have the digital image that you need for students to sort. We are going to start here. We're going to be creating a new activity. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. Now you're going to go into My Library and create a new activity. I'm going to give it an activity name. So let's say the first trip to the moon. And then you're going to type your directions. Let's just say the directions are already there. Now, for your students, you are going to add a template. You can add an example here and you can give voice directions or instructions here. Let's go ahead and add a template. You are uploading a JPEG or a digital image. So I'm going to need this selection here. I'm going to select from my computer, or I can drag and drop. Here I have my file open. I can simply just drag what I need. When I'm done inserting, I click check. Now I'm going to add, if I want to help them a lot, I'm going to add the text box that they will need. I can size it for them. And then I'm going to move it to the side here so then they can move the boxes that they will need. I'm also going to upload the photos that they will need unless your students have experience saving images from Kiddle.com or images that they have on their device. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to hit upload. I can select up to 10 photos. Right now I selected these 3 photos and they are in my document. So now I have the photos that I need. I can move them to the side, size them. You can even lock them if you want. And what I want you to teach your students is to use this undo in case they accidentally do something. So now let's say that we are done. We have all, let's pretend we have the 3 text boxes. Actually, let me format that. Our box already has a outline, so I'm going to change the style. Okay, so now I'm going to hit check. I'm going to hit save. And let's assign this so we can see the student view. Assign. Now I've signed in as a student. If my student goes to activities, it will be here in activities. We're going to pretend that the directions are here. I'm going to add a response. And now my student can move these boxes into these predetermined text boxes. Well, there you go. I hope you found this useful and know how to assign this activity. And then they can also add text here on their own or add their own pictures using these tools. This is the draft button, and then when they're done, they are going to hit check. I hope you found this useful.